Good morning, sir. My name is Drew Bresch with the Pennsylvania State Police. Can I please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance? That's fine, man. You have no weapons on you or anything like that? I gotta let you know right now you're being audibly and visually recorded, alright? Yeah. The reason I pulled you over is because I'm actually doing 53 and a 35. Coming from work? Alright, you can keep that. I gotta run you back to plate. Give me a few seconds to run out information. We'll be back with you, okay? Alright, there you go, man. I'm gonna give you a citation today, but instead of citing you for 53 over, I cited you for 5 over. There's no points associated with it. It's like $150 less of a fine. My printer broke off halfway through, but this has all the information you need. Most important thing you need right there is you need to respond to the citation by calling that number within 10 days, just during business.
Holy cow! Dude just dumped his bike! 1820. You idiot! Good job, idiot!
October 21st through the 23rd in Laguna Beach, California, bringing together 300 tech executives at the picturesque Montage Laguna Beach. This year's event will cover a wide range of topics,
siempre hay bailo chico en María. El tiempo nunca falta ni la buena compañía. Cómo ha cambiado la vida. Yo que tengo y el mundo en la casa mía.
Reaches.
I love that, eh?